Good morning. This week's tip, we're taking a break from BH Just Connect just for this week. And we're going to talk about Homes.com's ad products. Soon after their splurge at the Super Bowl, they have been contacting agents to talk about their ad products. So I have done the homework on Homes.com for all of you. So this is simply a public service announcement about what's available. If it makes sense, pursue it. If not, you're at least aware of what's out there. So let's take a look. And as you probably know, Homes.com traffic and what they're spending on driving consumers' eyeballs to here is eye-popping. And the site works rather well for consumers. So they are getting a lot of traffic. So let's talk about, there's something called Homes.com agent membership. It's one product. I will include a link at the end of my video and in the bottom of my email if you're interested to learn more, and you can schedule a call. If not, this is an FYI, so you're aware what's available. And Homes.com is a membership-driven thing. From what I've understood, it's a 6-month contract or a 12-month contract, and your price, monthly price, is dependent on the number of listings traditionally you've taken over, I think, a 2 to 3 year period, and average sale price. A combination thereof, they arrive at a price, and if that makes sense. So that's from what I understand, if you go down the path, that is. So let's talk about it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and search for Langhorne, Pennsylvania. First, there's 3 key enhancements you get if you subscribe to the membership. One, and it is primarily tilted towards listing agents because they promote listings, and so that I think is where it sits. So here's an example. They push your listings to the top of search results if it matches the criteria. So Langhorne, Pennsylvania, and Lisa here at Keller Williams, the picture, the phone number, the branding is a member agent. She's subscribed to the membership that I'm talking about. So you get preferred placement at the top with some branding. In this case, Beth from our Yardley Newtown office, listing matches Langhorne, so it shows up in search results, but the branding, as you can see here, this is different compared to this, okay? So that's the first difference, okay? The next one, let's click through here to that listing. Again, all listings, your listing, your lead. So they're not really doing anything here, obviously, which is their big value proposition. And anyone that has this orange background is a member agent. But as you go down on the listing detail page, you will see all the way at the bottom, let me move myself over here, all the way at the bottom, you'll see other lists. So you have a little bit of a bigger profile for Lisa. Lisa's other listings. If you have listings, it shows them. If you don't, it shows pended, sold, as you can see here. And if you're not a member agent, I'm going to pick one. I believe I have one open here. There we go. Scott Laughlin in our Wayne Devon office. He is not a member agent. And so if you scroll down, you'll see similar homes in media, not his other listings or his solds. So that's the listing level promotion. They also, let's get back to Lisa. They also have what I call neighborhood pages. This is the second level, second feature, if you will, for advertising. First was listing promotion. Second was agent promotion. From a branding perspective. So if you look at any area, they've built a lot of consumer content. Middletown as an example. If I click, they feature agents listings here. When they come to the neighborhood pages, there it is, agents specializing in this area. So you get a little bit of a pop there. And if you have an open house, it sort of shows here, obviously. So there's more placement above what a normal agent would get. Now, let's go find an agent now. Same concept in agent promotion. Places, Langhorne, and they push people to the top. And in this case, look at Aaron. He has a sale in Langhorne, and he's a member agent, so he shows up at the top. Now, these 4 could rotate, or whoever is paying for it could rotate. But in reality, if you look at this, some of these agents have sold a lot more in Langhorne. They're up there, but not at the top. So you get as long as they've done a sale, they will show in a Langhorne search if they're a paid subscriber with preferred placement. So that is feature number 2 with the membership. The third one is if I have gone to Lisa's page in this example, and I go look at one of her listings. In this case, let's take that listing, and I go to that page. Homes.com will retarget me when I leave Homes.com and go on the internet. So there's a retargeting component here. And also, let's just say I am not a paid member. Someone goes to my listing, in Scott Laughlin's case, and I leave Homes.com. People that are paying members in that area will be the ones that will be presented to the retargeting of me. So if I go to, for example, in this case, this is a listing of Scott's. He's not a paid agent. This is in Media, Pennsylvania. Now I leave Homes.com and go to, news sites, Yahoo, CNN, whatever. I will get retargeted by Homes.com for media, connect with the agent in media. And it will be people that are member agents in media. So 3 things. 1, listing boosts, listing promotion, more prominent branding, right? Like that. Second, if you're searching for homes, searching for agents, they get preferred placement. And neighborhood content and community pages, there's more placement. Third, redirect. So retarget, I'm sorry. So those are the 3 benefits of the membership. It's a monthly subscription, 6-month or 12-month term. That's the skinny. That's the homework I've done for Homes.com. So now you know. So you can file this away in a good to know category. Or if you're interested to learn more, you may be contacted. You don't have to take the call if you're not interested. I'll save you a few minutes of time if you watch this video. And if you're interested, I'm going to include the link to this page you see here, schedule a demo. And you can see, it's a promotional page, obviously, with Homes.com and all the things you get, what I just outlined. Agent directory, showcased on neighborhood and school pages, amplified reach on the web, retargeting, and last but not the least, your listings get a larger footprint with your branding on Homes.com. So hope that helps to demystify Homes.com and their ad product. And let me know if you have any questions, and we'll pick it up next Monday back on BHHS Connect.